Hi, in this video I'm going to show few of most frequently used keyboard shortcuts for Eclipse while editing a file. For the first shortcut, I'm going to show how to go back to last edit location. In this case, I was writing some comments in this particular class. For suppose if I am in this class, if I want to go back to the location where I edited previously, if I press Ctrl Q, it will quickly go back to that location. This is pretty useful while you are working on any large file, or if you open like a multiple files in your file system. I think this is the most useful shortcut for any developer. Here, I'm trying to write something, some comments or whatever I can write here. So I'm writing here some comments saying that this is for testing. So if I want to go, if I save this one, if I'm working on another place, so I remember to change that comment, I can quickly go back to the previous edit location on pressing Ctrl Q. If I go back to that one, with that particular file, it will directly take me to that particular location where I was editing last time. For the second shortcut, I'm going to show how to move a line or set of lines up and down in a file. In this case, I'm trying to move this particular method up or down. I can simply select this method using Shift and key and down arrow. After selecting this entire method, if I want to move this method a couple of lines down, I can simply use Alt down arrow. If I want to move a couple of lines above, I can simply use Alt up arrow. This is most useful while you are editing a file with the method. If you want to pull out a variable and put it in the top, you don't need to cut and paste it in somewhere else. You can just simply select that line and you can push it up or you can pull it down. I'm going to show an easy way to edit a variable name. For an example, if I want to edit a variable name called zip code to zip, if I edit this name to zip code to zip, if you can see here, there are errors. So the change is not reflected here. So you need to change these places manually. Instead of doing that, if I select that variable and select an option from refactor and rename it, it will change the variable name all the other places where it is being used. Instead of doing that manual procedure, like going right-clicking and going to refactor and using rename, there is a shortcut for this rename using keyboard. That's it, it's ALT+SHIFT R. If I select this variable and ALT+SHIFT R, I can change this variable whatever I want. If I want to change it back to zip code, I can simply change it back to zip code using Alt+Shift R. This is pretty useful if you want to change a variable name in the whole class level. It is pretty useful. You don't need to go there and change all other places. This shortcut can be used in while you're changing package name or any class name. I can show you an example on using this Alt+Shift R for package level. If I select the particular package and I use Alt+Shift R, it will ask me to whether I need to update all the references or not. If I check this box, it will automatically update all other places. Say if I want to change this one to customers or something, like I didn't like this shortcuts. Say I'm going to remove this one. I removed this one. If I change this one, it will change automatically in all other places. If I go up here and see in all other places, this package name changed automatically. I don't need to go and change in each and every place manually. This can be done using Alt+Shift R command pretty fast. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful.